Okay, the purpose of this video is for you, you to be able to draw Lewis dot diagrams for atoms. Now, the Lewis dot diagram is a way to show the valence electrons, ones in the outer ring, the outer energy level. And there's a general pattern where you've got the element symbol in the center, and then you've got a box with four sides, and you're going to put them around, the valence electrons around it. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they would spread out before they paired up. Excuse me. Now, let's say that element right there, nitrogen. The nitrogen, since it's in group 15, has got 5 valence electrons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what it would look like. Another one, let's say chlorine. Chlorine is in group 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. And then another one is, let's say, potassium, K. Dot, or you could do this. Dot, or dot, dot. As long as there's one dot. And that's how you draw Lewis dot diagrams. Find the element, find its number of valence electrons, and then put it around like the pattern shows.